Astro is Malaysia's leading media entertainment company. We are not just providing entertainment, we are building relationships, and that is how we earn our place in people's homes and hearts. Our customer experience is both digital and human-centric. Customers connect with us through My Astro app, WhatsApp, and our digital interfaces. But a lot of our customers still prefer the personal touch of a voice conversation. We migrated from Genesys Engage to Genesys Cloud CX2. It powers our dynamic IVR for smart call routing. It also gives us better quality and coaching through our workforce engagement tool. And workforce engagement has provided us better forecasting and resourcing capabilities. It has been an excellent upgrade. We currently have about 1,000 frontliners, agents using the platform, about 70% at any point of time, working on hybrid modes, on-site and off-site. Running on AWS gives us confidence in security, scalability, and reliability. Since the migration, it has been able to help us to innovate faster and better. The migration was seamless. We did it within the timeline that we set out to do. Genesys team made sure that there was no major disruptions for our customers. The new platform has enabled our customer service agent to be more productive. All of our operational performance matrix has improved, from our CSAT to ACR to first contact resolution to TNPS. But the most significant improvement for us was our company-wide score of CSAT has improved by 50%. By using Genesys Cloud, the agents has been able to reduce average handling time and deliver personalized service to our customers. For us, empowering customers is important, and we want to make sure the customers have everything that they need to do at their fingertips as much as possible. So since rolling out the digital self-service capability, we have seen a massive double-digit 20% increase in adoption rate. It's been transformative. When you have FP agents, they are able to serve your customers better. So happy agents equals happy customers. So supervisors are an important component of the contact center. With the speech and text analytics available in Genesys, they are now empowered to do targeted coaching better to ensure that our floor has the right resourcing in talent, skill, and time. With the AI scheduling tool in the platform, it has enabled our resourcing team to create more accurate schedule within minutes. So moving to a cloud infrastructure has reduced our total cost of ownership, and it has also given us the ability to innovate faster due to lesser maintenance and better support for uptime. Genesys and Astro share the same vision. We are on track to be net zero 2050, reducing emissions and using renewable energy. We have to ensure that our customers are valued and happy. For us to be able to do that, we put in tools and platforms in our ecosystem to enable our workforce, from call center agents to tech managers to sales managers to content producers, to ensure that everything that we produce is of high quality. For me, I look forward to see what technology and AI has to offer for customer experience and how in the next 6 to 12 months, it will change the ecosystem and provide more impactful and powerful services to all the customers everywhere in the world.